Hey YouTube kittens, it's Cathy Cat! And today we're unboxing together a brand new dress from Angelic Pretty. Now this is gonna be the Nakayoshi Ginger Cookie series that actually was released not just in Japan but also on Angelic Pretty USA. But this one here is already completely sold out on the Japanese store and the US store. They only had it in store in Shibuya left apparently, so that's pretty nice, thank you. I went to Angelic Pretty, guess what I got? A whole dress in coordinate is what you thought of, you're right, it's a box. First of all, here you have the headpiece here, it comes still with the tag, and they wrap it up while you're waiting to get it done, it's so nice. So here is the head bow, it has little pompons here, and also it has a wire so you can make the look nice and fluffy. We're gonna do some magic here now, guys. There we go, so this is the head bow, it is nice, and it has those little pompons here. How cute are those pompons? And the wire helps you can put it up, you can put it down. And some Japanese Lolitas prefer it all pushed down. I prefer it usually up and bouncy, but some Japanese Lolitas I've seen, they seem to like it actually more smaller and pushed down, and it's totally up to your tastes. Next one. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Ta-da! Now the Nakayoshi Ginger Cookie actually had a blouse that they were kind of trying to push in store. That blouse is already sold out everywhere, but they had on display this blouse here, which has a melting chocolate color, and since I have a lot of chocolate dresses, I thought I should definitely get this one to just make all the other outfits I have already in this color complete. There we go. So wonderful thing with this blouse is it has a little bit of gold here. It is kind of melting chocolate going around here, and then even on the hand part, it has melting chocolate. It comes actually in a bigger size. I find it's kind of wider, like I've managed to fit the poppies in, and that's important. So I am quite happy with this, and look at the gold coming down here and the hearts here too. It is just about fitting in the poppies. If I do it like this, oh okay, yeah, we're trying. and yeah, chocolate here and chocolate there. Very, very good addition to your Lolita chocolate dress wardrobe. Woohoo! And now, here is the moment you have all been waiting for. Nakayoshi Ginger Cookie jumper skirt. Come out! Come out! Come out! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! There was pink, there was ivory, there was brown, and there was mint. So we got mint in the end. Da, da, da. Oh, ta-da! Oh my gosh! This is so wonderful! This is so wonderful! The print is the cutest! Nakayoshi in Japanese means best friends, and that's the idea of this print. You can see all the Nakayoshi, all the friends that get along really, really well, and you can see in this print we have bears, gingerbread cookie men, boys, and bunnies, and a lot of cookies. This dress is the sweetest, and it has a massive advantage for Western Lolitas, I would say, especially for Western Lolitas. It has a lot of shearing. Byung. That's the shearing here. That's a good amount of shearing in my opinion. Like, look at this. That is a good amount of shearing. All right, guys, let's change into this. There we go, Nakayoshi Ginger Cookie. This is how it looks worn. Of course, it will need a petticoat here. It does not restrict me too much, is one of the reasons. I mean, it sits so well, and it doesn't make me feel like I'm suffocating. It actually supports the female figure. A lot of Angelic Pretty dresses do this. Ugh! This one doesn't, so I'm really grateful for that one. It's just that little bit of extra detail that makes these kind of dresses so special. So this one here has like a melty collar, which then goes with the melty collar from the blouse as well in the JSK. And I do like this little brocade that goes around here and all over here. The ribbon here ends in the same brocade and then in a kind of a long fashion like this. So you have like a little bit of a sideways cut with it and a little bit of lace at the bottom of the ribbon too. Together with the shirt, I think the shirt just really makes it pop as well, bringing all the chocolatiness to the ginger cookies as well. Like I said, I have a lot of chocolate dresses, so this is perfect. They had this one in ivory and also in another color, but this one is supposed to be pink. In this light, you can barely see it, but it's like a white with a slight pink shade. Yeah, they were like, this is pink. I'm like, really? In which light is this pink? They actually had some tiny little ribbons that you can put into your hair as well, and I wasn't 100% on those ribbons. I preferred this one here, but I actually went to a fabric store straight after and found a color that goes really, really well with this dress. So this is going to be a couple of little bows I can then put in my hair and such and decorate this dress even more. Found some cute little antlers in the 100 yen store that came together with a fuzzy little moth. Oh no, this is an otaku dance. I shouldn't do that in Lolita. Nah. 3 things I like about this dress. 1, it's a super adorable print with the characters, and it is number 2, seasonal, but not too seasonal. So it doesn't shout Christmas, Christmas, but at the same time it shouts winter season, gingerbread cookies, that kind of coziness. It doesn't say Merry Christmas or anywhere on the dress itself. So I'm very, very happy about that. I love all those little sugar cookies that are on the dress too. Like on the top part of the dress, there's so many little sugar cookies. All the sugar cookies. This dress comes as a jumper skirt. This dress comes as a salopette, and it comes just as a skirt with the straps. All this needs now is a petticoat and some gingerbread cookies to just somehow add to the dress as well. If you love Lolita fashion and Angelic Pretty, then this video is definitely going to be something for you. Be sure to check it out, and I hope you have subscribed, and I'll catch you soon for more stuff from Tokyo. Bye!